Okay guys, so I'm on Kings Highway and I'm going to give you a tour of the end of the CSX S line. This here, we're coming up on the crossing. This is going to be Northwest 10th Avenue. And these are the tracks right here. This is an old SAL, old Seaboard line. It is now CSX, but CSX hasn't ran a train through here for years, and nor do they have any plans to send another one. So right now I'm headed southbound on 10th Avenue. You can see in some parts it's there's litter all over it. Dead chickens, branches. Coming up on a milepost here. That's milepost 66, and it says, I think it said End Homestead Buckeye. I couldn't tell with all the graffiti behind it. Relay case. This is another crossing. I believe this is so, and then the track curves, and then there's the SAL, old abandoned SAL station. It goes between those shrubs there, and you're gonna be able to see it. Well, you guys see, there's a spur coming up there. To the left is the abandoned train station, built in the 1920s, and that's where all the tourists used to disembark. And then here's the abandoned spur. I'll show you the train station. Okay, and then there's a spur. I actually have a video on this crossing that I did a walkthrough. This is where this spur ends, and then right there's a Y. You can see the switch in the distance. I'm gonna make a left here. As soon as this guy passes, you can see the switch next to the crossing there. Floor it, okay. I'm gonna include a link for the video that's at the end of the track, so you can see what it looks like. The last crossing. It's actually the last crossing in the United States, and the end of the CSX S line. So please subscribe or like. Thank you for viewing, guys. Over and out.